the biggest challenges across the nation, and specifically in Omaha, 80% of gunfire goes unreported. So being able to know when a gunfire event occurred, precisely where a gunfire event occurred, and details of that gunfire event was all questions that, we struggled with when we were investigating gun crimes. It's not uncommon for people to get shot and self-transport to the hospital. Now you got a person at the hospital, and then the investigation is going to want to know, where did this happen at? All those questions get answered with the ability for ShotSpotter to detect and locate precisely where a gunfire incident occurred. ShotSpotter is the tip of the spear when an event occurs. None of these other assets can be deployed unless there's a call for service or a ShotSpotter alert. And most of the time, there's not a call for service. All that technology working together in a real-time crime center, integrated together so that when a ShotSpotter alert goes off, it goes to the drone dashboard and they can launch a drone right to that. Simultaneously, it's going to the officers on the street, it's going to the dispatch center, and it's going to the real-time crime center. One technology or one solution is not the answer. You have to have a multi-layer approach to responding to community events, calls for service for gunfire. Even in agencies that don't have real-time crime centers, coupling something like gunshot detection with automated license plate readers, that in of itself is a game changer. An agency doesn't have to have a real-time crime center to be efficient at reducing gun crime. They can just use a few pieces of the tools that are out there and make it successful. That's why you're seeing clearance rates for homicides at Omaha, Nebraska, and other agencies around the country in the 90s and 100%. Back in the late 90s, early 2000s, that was unheard of. You would have a 45, 55, 65% clearance rate in homicides, and you were successful. Today, not only Omaha Police Department, but agencies around the country are experiencing much higher clearance rates. We've gone from a very reactive phase of law enforcement where everything was after the fact. And while it's still after an event today, everything's moving much faster. And there's so many assets out there. All that stuff just enhances investigations, gets officers to the scene faster, improves their evidence recovery, and at the end of the day, it saves lives.